presumably.
Yeah.
What's your class devoted to this evening?
Beauty, all the senses, taste, touch, smell, hearing. We've got some music about the beauty of ideas and beauty of inner qualities of people and beauty of conduct, things, really important things, which are all connected with the same sort of beauty, so it's just a
I'd love to find out how your students are going to respond to all these delights.
Yeah, I think they quite like it. Take your colours off. And all of this is to do with the idea of beauty, you see. What is beauty? Where do we find it? Is there such a thing as absolute beauty? Why do philosophers consider beauty important? Because they do. And then you experience something. And if you consider it to be beautiful, then it sort of grabs you here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does something.
Beautiful relationship
That's
we have.
right.
So I can't just visually appreciate the cut flowers.
No.
I'm feeling her.
Yes. Yeah. But it takes you a step further, doesn't it? It takes you beyond the
Leonardo exhibition had sold out.
Yes.
And I thought, well, there is, people go to that for the beauty of it and
I think so.
and
Fun.
probably to be nourished
Yeah.
by it.
Yeah.
And so I felt a lot of hope when I heard that.
Good.
Although I haven't got a ticket.
You haven't got a ticket.
People, or people that you see, or things that you experience, you can sort of. And I think that he says something about a divine connection. I think I really agree with that. It almost lifts you to a
I
point.
reckon there's something in that with creativity and
Yes.
style and
Yeah.
flair beyond the sort of normal
It's really
parameters.
complicated to explain to anyone why I love mathematics, because it's not like a flower. You can't say it's beautiful. It's like yellow and it has, some petals and everything, but it's just a thought, so it's really hard to capture. But it's something you can
About true being.
Mm.
Is it beauty that's behind the object?
Yes.
So like the flower will change
Yes.
every moment and
Yes.
eventually all the petals will drop off. But
Yes.
the beauty itself is the thing which sort of is behind it.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know explain this very well.
What do you think is behind it? That's so beautiful.
I don't know, I'd possibly say God, but that might be a bit
He creates the form of whatever beauty is.
Yeah.
I think previously we talked in the park about energy and what that's like. I'm trying to interpret that in some way with
Power or force as well. So like, I know when Alfred showed me this flower, like the first thing I thought was that I don't actually appreciate the flower as much as when I think about what the process is behind it, and the ecosphere and the ecology and how that connects with the environment. And that sort of magnificence of creation, whether you want to call that spiritual or is
what you see is you.
Well, it's beautiful, isn't it?
that there's something beautiful that we can all share, even though it didn't exist in my mind when I was composing the
And
music.
that could be cluttered with this and everything else.
Yeah.
And then seeing this beautiful thing, it's just this something.
It is reflecting yourself. Maybe that's what your real self looks like. Wow.
But my favourite thing that went round was the chocolates. So that's kind of opened my mind a little bit to discover other senses where you can find beauty.
That's right. And why do you keep coming here?
Why do I keep coming here?
Yeah.
It's the beautiful thoughts, of course.
There you go.